Sairam children, how are you?
Sairam ma'am. Fine ma'am.
Yes, very good. I hope you're fit and fine and enjoying this weather.
Yes ma'am.
Yes. So monsoon has come to us finally and we
Yes.
are into monsoon and enjoying it. But you should take care of yourself and stay at home. Okay. Now we will get on with our English class today. And do you remember what we did?
Yes ma'am.
Yes, we were doing Mittu and the yellow mango. We have
Yes
done the
ma'am.
lesson and today we will be discussing the question answers and a little bit of exercises. But before we start, please let us get on by doing our three omkarams. So please join your hands. Om. Om. Oh, yes. Sairam children. So we will be getting on further with our class today. And for that, I need to share the screen. So please give me a minute. Yes. Is the screen visible to you children?
Yes ma'am. Visible.
Yes. Okay. Very good. Now let's start with the question answers. What is the lesson's name? Mittu and the yellow mango.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. So let's start. So I will read the question answers and I will like you to repeat after me. Okay.
Yes ma'am.
Now, yes. Question number 1. What did Mittu see on the tree?
What did Mittu see on the tree?
Yes. Answer is Mittu saw a big yellow mango on a tree.
Mittu saw a big yellow mango on a tree.
Yes. Next one is what did the big black crow say?
What did the big black crow say?
Yes. Now the answer. The big black crow
The big black crow
asked Mittu
asked Mittu
to go away
to go away,
as he said
as he said
it was his mango tree
his mango tree
and he would not allow anyone
and he would not allow anyone
to sit on it.
to sit on it.
Yes, children, this answer is a bit long, but if you take it part by part, it will be very easy. See, the first part is, I will explain to you. The big black crow asked Mittu to go away. Okay? This is one part. Now we will say why he asked to go away. As he said, it was his mango tree. And third is, and he would not allow anyone to sit on it. So three parts in this answer. If you do it part by part 1, the black crow asked Mittu to go away. Number 2, he said it was his mango tree. And number 3, he will not allow anyone to sit on it. So if you do this 1, 2, 3, it will be easy. Now the third question is, what did Mittu see under the tree?
What did Mittu see under the tree?
Yes, answer is Mittu saw a red balloon under the tree.
The Mittu saw a red balloon under the tree.
Yes, very good. Now, the fourth question is, what idea did Mittu have?
What idea did Mittu have?
Answer, Mittu had the idea
Mittu had the idea
to scare away the big black crow
to scare away the big black crow
by bursting the balloon
by bursting the balloon
at his back
at his back
and have the mango
and have the mango
all by
all by
himself.
himself.
Yes, this is also a big answer. Now let's break up in two parts. I will explain. Mittu, what idea did Mittu have? Yes, so three parts to it also. Mittu had the idea to scare away the big black crow. One point is to scare away the big black crow. Number 2 point, second point is how to scare away by bursting the balloon at the back. And number 3 point over here is why did he want to chase away? Why did he want to scare away? Because he wanted to have the mango himself.
But
Remember
ma'am,
the
in
crow?
question it is only one question. What idea did Mittu have? It was not
Yes, but
asking how.
this is see, this is the whole idea is why we are explaining. You can very well write little part of it also that to scare away the big black crow. But
Yes, ma'am.
the answer is not complete.
Okay.
By if you can write, if you can attempt, and if you can write everything, it is very good, excellent. But if you can write a part of it, that is to scare away the big black crow, that is fine also. How much you can write, you are supposed to write that only. It is better not to mix up the things, okay? How
Yes, ma'am.
much you can write, you attempt that. If you can
Yes,
write
ma'am.
the full thing, if you can write the full answer, then that is excellent. But if you cannot,
Okay, ma'am.
then just write the first part of it. Okay? Choice is
Okay.
up to you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes.
Now the next question. What did the crow think
What did the crow think
the loud noise was?
the loud noise was?
Yes. The crow thought
The crow thought
the loud noise
the loud noise
to be a shot from a big gun.
to be a shot from a big gun.
Yes. What does that mean? The crow thought the loud noise, that is the bursting of the balloon, to be a loud shot from a gun. That means whenever, have you heard of a gunshot? In
Yes,
maybe in
ma'am.
pictures, in movies also?
In movies.
Yes. There is a loud noise, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Very loud.
Yes, yes. That loud noise is called a shot from a gun. Whenever you fire a gun, a loud noise is heard. And the crow thought it was that noise. Now, the last question. What did Mittu do
What did Mittu do
after scaring away the crow?
after scaring away the crow?
Yes, very good. After scaring away the crow,
After scaring away the crow,
Mittu came to the tree
Mittu came to the tree
and ate the big yellow mango happily.
and ate the big yellow mango happily.
Yes, very good. This is all he wanted. That is why he had all the idea. Yes. Now let us come to the exercises. We have come to the end of question answers. That's all. And now here what we have, Draw over the dotted lines. Okay. What are these? Can you tell me? Have you seen these?
Yes, ma'am.
What are these?
Tabla and tabla.
Yes.
Dholak.
Sorry.
Tabla.
Sorry. Yes. It is the tabla. Have you heard the tabla playing anywhere?
In the
Or in your
school.
school? Yes. Very good. Yes. There is tabla in our school, and music sir also plays it very nicely.
Yes, ma'am.
And these two together we have to play together. This is called the tabla. It is a musical
Yes.
instrument. Okay, it's a
Yes, ma'am.
Indian drum, you can call it, and we have to play it with our hands, and it sounds very good. Now what you have to do, you have to draw over the dotted lines. You have to trace with your pencil, and then after that you can color it.
Yes.
Okay. Now the next part of it is you have to say aloud these words. Now I will say each word. Is it visible to you? Is the
Yes,
screen
ma'am.
visible to
It
you?
is visible. Only your voice is breaking little bit.
Okay, okay.
In between.
I think it may be some network issue.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now let us say aloud all these words. Can you see the yellow box?
Yes, ma'am. I can see.
Yes. I will read each word and you will follow after me.
Yes, ma'am.
Bat,
That
cat,
cat
mat.
mat
Very good. Next is bed,
bed
fed,
fed
and red.
red.
Yes. Just one thing. What kind of sounds are these making? Can you tell me? They are
Rhyming.
making rhyming sounds. Yes, very good. So these sets are called rhyming words. These set
Yes,
of
ma'am.
words. Each set is making the similar kind of sound among themselves. That
Yes,
is, the
ma'am.
rhyming words are in three sets of each. Okay.
Yes,
Next
ma'am.
is bit, bit,
Bit
hit,
hit
pit.
pit
Very good. Next is dot,
dot
hot,
hot
pot.
pot
Very good. And the last set, bun,
bun
fun,
fun
and run.
and run.
Very good. Excellent. You have read it very well. Now we come to the last bit of this page. Is it visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now here again we will come to a repetition. Here you can see the 5 vowels A, E, I, O and U. Can you see them? Yes. I think you can see them. Now what is there? Can you see the fill in the blanks over there? You have
Yes,
to put, yes, you have to put any one of these vowels and make a word with these things. So these gaps, you have to put any one vowel and see that it makes a word or not. Any word will do. Any one vowel you have to put in the gaps, in the blanks. Can you see the blanks?
yes, ma'am.
Yes. So let's make the words by putting any of the vowel. So can you see S dash T? What can come here?
It can be A also, sat, or it can be I also, sit.
Yes, very good. Excellent. Can I say S-E-T set also?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, excellent. Now next is F dash N.
F U N fun.
Excellent. F-U-N, fun. And can I say FAN, fan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So either way we can write. Any one
FIN
is
fin
correct.
also.
Yes, FIN, fin. Excellent. Fishes have fins. Very good. Now next is P dash G. What will come here?
I or E also.
Yes, PIG will make it pig. And pig, you know, it is an animal. And PEG is peg. What is a peg? Pegs can be the clips that you use for hanging your clothes, drying your clothes.
Yes, ma'am.
And can I make here PUG, pug? Pug is a
Yes,
kind of dog.
yes.
Okay, very
Small
sweet
dog.
kind of dog, small one. Yes. Now next is L dash G. What
L
will come
E
here?
G.
LEG. Very good. Excellent. Leg.
LOG also.
Yes, very good. Yes, yes, we have done. LOG,
And
log.
L
LAG, lag. Lag means lagging behind. And what is LOG? Can you tell me the meaning? Do you know?
piece of wood.
Yes, excellent. Indeed, it is a cut off piece of wood that is called a log of wood. Now, B dash G. What is that?
EG. Beg. BIG.
Yes,
Big.
big. Excellent. Or it can be BIG, big also. Or it
Yes,
can be
ma'am.
A also, BAG,
AG
bag.
bag. School
Ah,
bag.
excellent. Or it can be U also, BUG, bug. Bug is an
Yes,
insect.
yes,
Insect.
ma'am.
Or it can be O also, BOG, bog. What is a bog? Do you know?
No, ma'am.
A bog is what you call in Hindi is a daldal. That means it is a dirt where your foot gets caught. That is
What is
called a
the?
bog.
Okay.
Okay. In Hindi, what we call daldal, that means it is a dirt, it is a dirty thing when you put your foot and your foot gets caught over there.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes. Next is S dash T. We have already done. You have said SIT or SAT or SET. Anyway, we can do it. Next is D dash T.
DOT dot.
Very good. DOT dot. Next is L dash T.
LOT lot.
Excellent. Can I say LIT lit?
Yes, and LET let also.
Yes, excellent. See, you're making words so nicely. Very good.
Yes.
Now, S dash N. So, what can come here?
SUN sun.
Very
SON
good.
sun.
SON sun will also be. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now, SIN sin will also do. What is sin?
Yes.
Sin
Bad
means
deeds.
anything that is very bad. Okay. And last is B dash N. What will come here?
Bun.
BUN,
B.
bun. Very good. And I can also come
BIN. Bin.
BIN, bin,
Yes,
isn't
ma'am.
it?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Excellent. Now let's check out the answer. Anyways, it is right. Yes. Answer is SIT sit, DOT dot, LOG log, and BUN bun. Anyways, it is correct. So far and so long, the words are correct, grammatically correct. Any vowel you can put over here, okay? Need not be only this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? You can put it in any other combination also. This is just for your help. SET set, BAG bag, FAN fun, and LET let. Okay?
Can we write more than one words, ma'am? Can we write FUN, FAN, FIN together in the notebook also?
No, actually, you have to write only one word. Any
Okay.
one combination you have to write. You
Okay.
can write it somewhere else and you can keep it for your knowledge so that you will not forget. But in your notebook, wherever you
Rough
are writing,
answer. In
you
rough
write
note.
only, yes, you write only one combination, okay? And underline the vowel that you are putting in the middle. Just like over here. See, all the vowels are underlined over here. Just put it like that, the underline. Next one, let us see. Match the fruit and vegetables to the trees they grow on. Can you see in the left side we have the fruits?
And this side trees. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and this side are the trees. Now can you tell me which one will do? Banana. Which one is the banana tree?
Third one.
Yes, third one. Excellent. Now next is the coconut. Very easy. Now which is the coconut tree here?
First one.
Yes, very good. Next is the apple. Apple. Where is the apple tree? It is given also. The
Second
second
one.
one, right? Yes. Next is the grapes. Now, grapes does not grow in the tree. What we call it? It is called a grapevine because it
Yes.
is a creeper.
Yes,
Okay?
ma'am.
Sorry, it is a climber. Okay?
Remember.
Yes. So it is called a grapevine. So this will match with this grapevine. See, it is holding onto a stick and growing. It cannot stand on its own. Next is the last one is the very favorite mango. Now, where is the mango tree?
Fourth one.
Yes, fourth one. Very good. Now, let's check out the answers. Yes, you have given all answers correctly. This is the banana tree. This is the coconut tree. This is the apple tree. This is the grapevine. And this is the mango tree. Very good. You have given all answers correctly. And the last part is, this is given in your textbook only. I want you to color. Color the red and the color the chili red and the parrot in colors of your own choice. Now, what color will you put in the parrot, children?
Green color.
Yes, very good. Green color. And what color its beak?
Red color.
Red color. Very good. So, you do color this parrot with your colors. And now, let's read this. Parrot with a red beak.
Parrot with a red beak.
Can you really speak?
Can you really speak?
Now the parrot is telling you mittu mittu, mittu mittu.
Mittu, 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 mittu.
Yes, so the parrot can speak. And the last part is trace the path of the ladybird. Now this small little insect, red color bright, this small size. It is called a ladybird. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
We rarely see it over here, but it is called a ladybird. And it is going this way. Can you see the arrows? Pink color arrows here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this way you have to put it, trace it, and with your pencil you have to trace the path. That's all. Okay. Now with that, we come to the end of this presentation and I will come back to you. Yes. So tell me, did you like today's class?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. And all the answers, I hope it is clear to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now again I am telling you two answers we have discussed today. They are the long ones. Whatever, how much ever you feel you are comfortable to write, you can write that much. You can write only the first part of it. The two long answers, they have three parts to it. If you want, you can write the full. If you can manage very well, that is excellent and you have to write it correctly. But if you feel it is too much for you, you cannot write, then write only the first part of it. Only the first part has the correct answer and the rest of the part is the completion of the answer to make it a Very good answer. But doesn't matter, if you cannot manage, you just write only the first part of it. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now, do you have any other questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay. In that case, we will end the class today with the Shanti part. So please join your hands. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sairam, children. Yes,
Sairam, ma'am.
yes, we will meet in the next class. So till then, goodbye.
Goodbye, ma'am.
Yes.